All right, so I picked up this Vectotech 2 terabyte external hard drive because my computer is, the memory's almost full and it's constantly crashing, going into this weird boot thing. So a friend of mine told me to get this, and I have some big files on my computer and we'll take them off. I was originally going to put it on the Google Drive, but I can't buy any more memory. The system seems to be broken, so I gave up. So anyway, the kind of funny thing is, it came from Amazon, just like this. It didn't really come in an envelope or a box or anything, which I found kind of weird. So anyway, I'm going to open it up, and we're going to kind of see what's going on. I've never done one of these unboxing things. I think they're kind of silly, but whatever. We'll hook it up and see exactly what the deal is. Get a little something to open up this tape. And there it is, man. This thing is tiny. Amazing. Smaller than my cell phone. Yeah, pretty cool so far. I guess what I'll do is get it all hooked up in a second, and we'll see exactly what happens. Take me a minute to get this plastic off. All right, hold on. All right, part two. I got the plastic off. It took a while, but yeah, it comes. I guess this is a USB-C, which is supposed to be really, really fast. My laptop has two, so let's plug it in, and it's supposed to just come right on. And yeah, there you go. So all I got to do now is drag my files over that are big and hopefully causing me some problems on my computer. This has been going on for a couple of weeks, but I needed some more memory anyway. So, yeah, I'll find the files, and we will drag them over and see how easy it is. All right, so I dragged all those files onto this E drive, this new drive, and you can see they were pretty big files. And I took them off of my C drive. So if I go to my C drive and hit my properties. You can see that I gained quite a bit. I think that was 30 gigs before, but now I'm at 98, and I'm gonna get some more stuff off of there that's big, and hopefully this will cause my problems. But yeah, this thing is pretty cool. I'll throw a link down in the description, and honestly, for $200, I'm gonna throw all my videos and all that memory sucking stuff. And I'm not the most tech guy in the world, but this was pretty easy. It took a few minutes for the files to load over there, and I'm pretty happy.